Hello class, my name is Christopher Rockwell. This is my week 2 reflection video for MDF 3 term 1403. This week I had a lot of fun. Besides I had a couple setbacks for misinterpreting the instructions, but thankfully I got an extension by the instructor. But let me kind of go off into what each group item I chose and what I decided to do with each item. In group 1, I chose to do a video component. Group 2, I chose to do a shared preference, which was my storage component. And in group 3, I decided to do the battery management. And what my application is doing, I'm going to kind of open it up and go through it to explain how everything ties in together. With my battery status component, as you can see here, or the battery management, I'm getting the battery status, I'm getting the battery level, which is at 25% right now. I'm getting the battery health, which is good. And for my video component, I'm actually giving battery tips in the form of a video, so you can hit play, and the video will play. It's kind of lagging because I'm on the emulator, but you can pause it, come back and play it again. And for my shared preference, what I did, as you can see here, I do have a service here. And what this service is doing is letting the user know when their battery is either at 100% to unplug their charger. If it's at 50%, it's going to let them know to consider charging their battery soon. Then if it's at 25 or lower, it's going to shut the service down and let them know that it's going to show a notification letting them know why we should shut the service down to preserve their battery life. So I'm going to kind of go through using my terminal and set the capacity of the battery. First, I'm going to have to set it higher than 25, because if it's at 25, I'll try to start my service. We're going to get a toast. Service can't be started due to low battery. So I'm going to set my capacity back up to at least even 26. And as you can see here, it does change each time I make a change to the capacity, so it is a listener or a receiver. So I'm just going to set it at 50, so that way when I cut my service on, I'm going to get a notification. So I'm going to start my service. As you can see here, service is now running. Then I got a notification up here letting me know battery at 50%, consider charging your device soon. So let me clear that out, and let me demonstrate if your battery is fully charged, and which is very important when you're charging your phone or any device. But when it gets to 100%, you go ahead and unplug it, because your battery can swell, overheat, it can leak, it can do a lot of different things to damage your device. So I thought that was definitely a good feature. So at 100%, you're gonna get another notification, and battery fully charged. Let me put it back down. Battery fully charged, unplug your device. So it's kind of giving them key tips to preserve their battery life and keep a good battery in their phone. And of course, you're getting the battery health here, which is good. This could be bad, overheated, it could be cold. There's a lot of different statuses that can kind of let the user know what the state of their battery is. So that's pretty much it on that end. Also, let me demonstrate one more thing. Like I said, if your battery gets 25%, my service is going to automatically quit. It's going to let you know, as you can see, not running right here, and it's going to let you know what happened. Battery service stopped due to low battery. So I'm definitely not going to run. I don't want to run my service and cause the battery to drain, especially because I actually have an application that's actually trying to help preserve battery life and get a better battery. So definitely want to shut that down. I do want to demonstrate one other thing is the reason why I did a shared preference. Let me show it in my code. I think it's a key part of this application, because to get the battery status, I need to keep my service running in the background, even if my application is closed. So I just closed the app out. I want to kind of demonstrate. And then I'm always checking to see if the service is running. That way, if they open the application or not, getting those notifications each time they open it. And it's kind of running when it's needed at all times. So that's what I'm doing with my shared preference. I'm setting it to running, and then each time I open the application, I'm checking to see if it's running. Then I know to go ahead and start the service. But if it's already running, I know that I need to definitely output that it's not running and not start the service. So I don't want to be doing it each time the app is open. So I will demonstrate that the app, I closed it out, and it's still, my service will still run in the background. Battery's at 60% right now, and I'm going to change it after I close it to 50%. I'm supposed to get a notification that my battery's at 50%. So let me demonstrate that working. So as you can see, the notification still showed up, although the application is actually closed. So that's something I definitely want to implement, because I want to continue to get the status even though the application is closed. And that's what I decided to do with my service. Don't really need any more clarification. Was able to get everything implemented properly. Really enjoyed this week, learned a lot, had some good challenges, really exciting stuff. Hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I have. Have a great day. Thank you.